Hello friends, today I will speak about my favorite scientist Dr. Volek Broker. Why I have chosen Volek Broker, a climate change scientist? Because climate change is real and existence of entire living being is at stake due to changing climate. Climate change can be controlled by adopting eco-friendly and sustainable lifestyle and promotion of cleaner technologies. Better understanding of climate change is required to mitigate it. He is often called as grandfather of climate change. Now, I will tell you about his contribution and how he has benefited the society. Dr. Volek, a Chicago-born scientist with PhD from Columbia University and was professor at Columbia University. Contribution of Dr. Volek in the field of climate change is immense and very valuable. He worked mainly on the effect of climate change on the planet Earth, particularly on polar ice, oceans, carbon cycles, etc. His work on how ocean levels have been increasing due to climate change and how it can impact the planet Earth. He has also contributed the causes and effects of polar ice and climate change on global climate. His work on carbon sequestration has helped the global scientific community to understand how carbon is released into the environment and how it is absorbed and its impacts on the global climate. Better understanding of climate change is required to take actions to reduce impacts of climate change on humans and on other living beings. His work on adaptation and mitigation has helped to develop cleaner technologies and made the global community aware. His contribution towards climate change has helped the global communities to prepare for themselves to tackle climate change. Use eco-friendly and sustainable products. Save Earth, save life. Thank you. Now let us know why should we understand importance of climate change. This is the planet Earth. The Earth had perfect temperature in the past to keep everyone alive and happy. Earth's temperature depends on the balance between sun's heat rays reaching to Earth's surface and reflecting back into the atmosphere. When this balance is lost, the climate changes. Man-made factors including construction, power generation, transportation, industrialization, deforestation, mining, etc. causes pollution which contribute to greenhouse gases leading to climate change. Climate change is making Earth's surface hotter, which is causing melting of glaciers, unseasonal rainfall and storms, rise in seawater level, rise in seawater temperature and changing the overall climate, putting living creatures at risk and in danger. So, what we do? We need to change the way we live. We need to adopt sustainable and green practices, reduce emission of greenhouse gases and be ready to adapt ourselves to the changing climate. We should use our natural resources responsibly.